big up yourself. We outside again, and this morning we on a little bit of mission. This morning we're gonna take it out. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go down the line a little bit, and we're meeting up with Brian this morning, guys. You know how it is when me and Brian meets up. Always something getting into something. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna be probably going on some long 10K walk and catching some fish as usual. You guys know how it is when me and Brian touch the water. It's not normal. You know what I'm saying? That's my dudes. Anytime me and him and Jamal, big up to Jamal. You know what I'm saying? Enough love seeing where Jamal, you know, say yo, we're there, so seeing where, bro. You know what I mean? Link up. You know what I'm saying? Bless up yourself, bro. Outside. But anyways, peoples, stay tuned. Go ahead down the line, meet up with Brian. He's over in the next parish. He's gonna meet me in the next parish. So we're gonna link up with him over there and see what we can get in. And see what kind of fish we can pick up today. I kind of prepared myself from last night. I hope I didn't leave anything. I didn't bring my gaff with me. I know Brian probably has his, but you know, you gotta finesse the thing. You gotta know how to deal with it if you don't walk with a gaff. So that's what's up, guys. So. Hunting. This battery on this next camera is almost dead. I'm gonna have to switch to this camera down here. I have 3 batteries for one camera. I'm all right, but just using the 3 just to minimize the loss of quality while we're fishing. Once the battery goes dead, I'll just switch over. So all right, I'll just switch the memory card into this one because the memory card in the other one's not working, like I said before. Water's pretty shallow here. Brian's over there. You know, Walkie. Come in, no? Brian's over there. He just caught a long jaw a while ago, as you guys seen. Working this grassy area, guys, searching for a barra. See if I can pick one up. Who knows? Might find one in this. I see some little snappers chasing, but that's about it. Babies. Brian, it's shallow over here too. You heard? Sure. Where are the dogs? Hey guys, kind of late in the morning now. I don't know if we're going to be able to pick anything else up on the lure. Time's passing on us. It's hitting on 8:47 in the morning. I don't know, Brian doing some kind of setup, just like I had a little mishap. Had a little wind not a while ago. He's fixing his line up. Yeah. Let's walk in these rocks. Run around, guys. Watch my step here, guys. Rocks are real slippery. A whole bunch of baby fish running around. Get a few casts on this side. That's what's up. New reef structure, guys. This is what's up. I seen a barra out there a while ago, guys. Nice sized barra too. Nice reef structure, shore fishing. That's what's up. Woohoo! Yeah. Love this shore fishing. We live for this shit.
Nothing else on the minnow yet, guys. Awesome, pretty water. Lots of structure. I don't see any fish hunting this down. That's crazy. I guess Brian ain't hooked up nothing else yet. Irish moss. Yeah, Brian. Not even a chase on this side. Nothing. A whole bunch of juvie langjaws over there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and he go grab you and he slide in him. I had enough time to catch him. I catch one ratted 5-pound one the other day and big and long your fat. Yeah. And walk that reef. Hope we can walk it to the other side. Permit Jack, don't you have enough enough? Alright, to have a jack run down for me look while. One jack run down for me look while. Woohoo! So you're gonna try to go across? Huh? Yeah, this is part of the adventure, guys. Don't want to get wet. Here comes the water. Gotta time that way. Oh shit! I almost fell in this shit already. Here, guys. Bro, how you cross right here? The middle piece good?
Yeah, man, you just step on it, man. That's what just get.
Look here, look here, look here, look here, look here. So that means if they're seeing it from that far, other fish is seeing it, and jackfish are running on too. Yeah, we're doing some sketchy shit right here, guys. Sketchy crossings with electronics on it. Oh, oh, oh! I got hit by two of them one time, dog. Look, look, here goes the bait fish right here, bro. The bait fish here. Fish on, guys. Woohoo! Fish on. Ha ha! Look at this. Look here. Fish on, guys. Sure fish it? That's what's up. Yeah, they're right here. Look. Casting the spot, bro. Oh, man. I hate handling these guys, bro. I don't like it. Where at? Where at? Where they at? Alright, got you. Where?
About 7 of them.
Jack?
Four runner.
See there, look at Georgia! Ah! Nigga! Come here! Don't do me that, bro. Hold it by them, you know. Come here again. Right, as long as y'all chasing your foot. Look here. Look here. Jack, die!
Fish
Boom!
Oh shit, there I am.
No!
Watch him.
Big old Jack, you know, boy.
Man. The man in long giant come to the channel overhead.
Alright guys, waiting on Brian still. Move to the next spot. See what we're gonna hunt down here. I didn't want to really record all the walking coming down here. Would have sucked. Let's see what we can pick up in this little spot, guys. Fish on, guys. Ooh, fish on. Got him. Nice jack. Blue runner jack, guys. Fish on, there you go. No mess around here. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. That's what's up. There you go. One jackfish for Laurie. One jackfish for me. Oh yeah, gotcha. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. That is it, guys. We're on a roll today. See if we can grab one more. Woo! Ha ha! Yellowtail snapper, guys. Look at this. Woo-wee. That is it, guys. Haha. Two back to back, guys. That's what's up. We're doing it today. Yeah, this one's dinner size. He ain't going back. He's over 8 inches. That's for sure. Yeah, guys, that's what's up. He's eating up. He's flashing up a lot. I don't want this hook catching me. I'm gonna keep you guys fresh. Now I'm gonna take you up. I'm gonna get you up here, buddy. See if I can keep you fresh. Stand here. Better yet, here you go. You freshen that one. I'm ready for you. Alright, guys. They're here, guys, so we'll keep on playing with them till Brian's ready. He hit it right as he was coming out right there. Not a bad morning, guys. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. This lure been hitting all day, guys. This lure's been on a spree all day. I've been using it all morning, and this is the first time it's gonna really come off today. Big up to Yuzuri Crystal Minnow. Been an awesome lure working all day today. We're gonna try something different though. I think the bites slow down on it a bit, or just that the fish is just not attracted to it, whatever is ones that are there. We can switch, see what we can do something different. Fish on, guys. Woo! Jackfish again, guys. Woo-hoo! Jamaican shore fishing. Haha. Jamaican lure fishing. Striker. That is it, Jamaican shore fishing. And around for the thing in the guys. That's what's up. Woohoo! Booyah! I knew it, guys. I knew one of them was gonna grab it. That's what's up. Striker! Yeah, guys. That's what's up. Guys, I just hammered another dinner-sized yellowtail. Bro! Yeah, guys. I got 2 yellowtails and 2 jacks at the spot, guys. Hammered it. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. That is it. Brian, them just finish up, guys. So we're probably gonna finish this trip up, head in a bit, and head to the next spot. This is what's up. Yellowtail snapper, guys. That is it. One more, guys. That's it. Alright, Jamaican shore fishing. Big up. Me and Brian have done it again.
Big up on yourself. Clarx Legacy 876.
Yep, Clarx Legacy 876, guys. And just remember, say, like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. I'm sure you guys enjoyed this video. Epic day. You know, so when me and Brian push out and touch the water and normal, guys. So make sure to jump over Brian's channel. Please hit that subscription button. Like, share,
subscribe.
Yeah. And
comment.
Watch. Yep.
Share again if you don't share it already, and share again when you share again.
Share now your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your
man,
Insta, your
everybody,
TikTok,
share.
everybody. Just send you out. And make Brian. Go so and go over Brian and check out Brian.
876.
And then get new camera now, people. Man,
Yo,
thing
nobody
a
already.
shot.
Nobody already.
You know, look how long I talk to you about. You know how long I chat to Brian about it. And yo, wait till you see the quality on Brian
You
video.
know how long the camera is on order.
You know how long you have to have it?
You know how long it is on order, Jerry.
You know
Long
much.
time.
You know how much video you miss, people.
I don't miss nothing, man. I send out what I can send out. That's
I know. That's how I
That's how I
started.
do. I still a fish.
So bless, guys. So stay tuned. We outside. Big up on yourself.